Hi everybody, this is Professor Heiman, San Francisco State University. I'm teaching IBUS 593, Doing Business in Europe, online edition of the class. Class is online only, never meets in person. All the readings are available on iLearn. Let's get into the details of the syllabus for a few minutes. First of all, check the syllabus, which is downloadable off of iLearn for my office hours. My email is bruce.a.heiman@gmail.com, and there's no cost for the textbook because all the material you need is on iLearn, videos and readings. All that material is required. There are no optional readings, so read everything. The course itself, Doing Business in Europe, looks at how you can analyze the major factors affecting the conduct of contemporary business in Europe, and specifically the EU. We talk about subjects like Europe-related business-critical topics that include immigration, regional free trade agreements, national trade policies, emerging markets, traveling in Europe, European business law, and we talk about this in the context of important business strategy related issues such as market research on regions, which is multiple countries, sectors, which is industries, and firms, specific companies. We also talk a lot about the Europe-related foreign entry decisions, organizational behavior in Europe, Euro entrepreneurship, and European governance and business strategy. Now I'm skipping a lot of material here, but one of the other things we cover is critical thinking skills. Now I want to add that you should definitely read the syllabus. In fact, it's your first assignment, not optional. Read the whole syllabus because, as I said, I'm skipping around a little bit. Some of the other topics that we cover, because there's a list of topics on iLearn, include the background of the European Union. That is how it works mostly, not so much the history, although there's a little bit of that. Enlargement strategies, Brexit, which is kind of a contraction strategy. Maybe it's not even a strategy. The euro, the currency, and its effect on the world and on Europe. The European Union and its relationship to the rest of the world politically. The culture of Europe. Euro entrepreneurship, innovation, and creativity, which is kind of an interest of mine. Again, all this stuff is on iLearn, and you need to have access to iLearn to take the class. Now, how's the grading work? This is an interesting question. There's actually 4 elements. 3 are mandatory, a critical essay, which is worth 20% of the grade, 8 online quizzes, which are worth 5% of the grade each for a total of 40%, a final exam, which is worth 40%, and some extra credit assignments that you can use to beef up your grade if you didn't manage to execute all of the assignments, okay? If you do miss a quiz, because there are time limits for completing a quiz and there's deadlines after which you can't start a quiz, then you can make up those points with extra credit. So pay attention to the class deadlines. The tests are all open book. You can refer to the readings, but it's timed. So you won't have enough time to look up every answer, and probably not even half the answers, before the test closes on you after you start it. So what you need to be able to do is sit down and take the test in one sitting and know the material from reading it, not from looking it up while you're taking the test. That's just not going to work. The tests, including the final exam, are all objective answer. The 8 readings and topics tests are short, and the final exam is going to be between 50 and 150 questions. All of these test-oriented questions will be either multiple choice or true-false. Okay, I'll offer a number of extra credit exams, and some of them, not exams, extra credit assignments that generally won't be exams, and all of them or some of them are available to you to do. The key is to keep your eye on the schedule and don't miss deadlines for submitting material or completing tasks, specifically the tests, because those have opening dates and closing dates. So usually the closing dates are at 11:59 p.m. of a given day, so you can take it until pretty late. The schedule of topics is listed in the syllabus, and I'm not going to go over that. The deadlines will be listed on iLearn. Okay, so topics on the syllabus, deadlines on iLearn. Okay, The extra credit will be on iLearn also. There may be some stuff in the syllabus about that too, but iLearn is hereby incorporated into the syllabus. As I said at the beginning of this video, I skipped some material, so your first assignment is to read the syllabus that this whole mini lecture is based on. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care. Bye.